The best front LED lights in the business. Ah, yeah. All right, RV family, mindset military. It is the Weird RV Beard back. The Big Beard Baby is returned with another one. Hotness. I'm here at the 29 FKDS Freedom Express by Coachman. And listen, this thing is amazing. But before we get into the interior, right, let's really talk about this Azdel. I don't really think it's highlighted enough, right? So just some quick facts. First of all, it's 50% lighter than plywood. 50%. So all of you guys looking to save weight, this is a no-brainer, right? No rot, no warping, right? No mildew. Formaldehyde free, super important. So if you're asthmatic or you suffer with sinuses, things of that nature, it's not affected by weather, right? We're in Texas, it gets super humid, right? So it's not going to expand, it's not going to crack on the inside. And this is the biggie for me. It's twice the insulation as plywood. Come on, somebody. Let's just take a moment to process this interior. And ladies, that's right, I'm back with another front kitchen. I know how much you like them. You see, I've been thinking about you. So listen, this light switch is pretty funny to me because we've all had those super cranky mornings. We didn't want to get out of bed. We didn't want to go to work. And so we've all hit the light switch in an aggressive manner because we didn't want to get our day started. This light switch is made for you cranky people. Look at that. That's right. I don't want to go to work. I don't want to make the kids lunch. I don't want to get in traffic. I feel better already. Oh, I can't forget about the storage. All of the Twinkies, Tony Saturé, and zebra cakes this side of the Mississippi. And of course, the good thing about the front kitchens is they still come with a lot of storage. But now, we're just getting creative, champ. Every little bit counts. Touch it. Go ahead, touch it. Now you can make coffee. A customer told me one time, Timothy, I want absolutely no carpet. I said, no carpet? She said, zero carpet. I said, what about the slide? Not even on a slide. God does answer prayers. Forget about the cool cabinet lights for 1 second. Let's paint a vision. You're sitting here, you're reclined. You may even have the massage going. You're watching a game. And for that split second, you've forgotten about your problems and even the world. Ah, yeah. They don't call me the Big Beard Baby for no reason. I'm 6'1" and 2 something, baby. Let's see if I can get in there and be comfortable. I can. I can even shadow box.
I don't know, man.
Well, where else are you gonna put your towels? Shh, 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 shh. Just take it in. That's right. You can bring the unnecessary things now. It's okay. This may be one of the biggest underbed storages I've seen. Right? It's so big. Come in. There's a box hiding in here. Electric heater to save you propane in the wintertime. And 50,000 hours of LED light? Is that a real thing? Oof, that's fancy. I'll put something like this in the house, man. Oh, yeah. So listen, if you want to see it in person, if you want an in-person tour, send me an email, send me a text, give me a call. But do me a favor and act now, right? The past certainly doesn't exist. And guess what? The future doesn't exist, right? All we truly have is now. So act now. RV Beard out. I'm so sorry, I almost forgot about the outside kitchen. Ah, yes, that's right. That is correct. Freedom. Come on, somebody.